So we've got this thing going on called the elliTek Automation Expo. You might have heard of it.
I hope so. I'm not doing my job if they have it.
That's right. So I'm sure you have. So on Thursday, October 3rd, Thursday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., we want you to invite you to join us here at elliTek for our elliTek Automation Expo. It's going to be a vendor showcase. We're going to have all of our top vendors, top sponsors showing their latest and greatest in products. We're going to be one of our vendors is going to be ready to do robotic welding. So if you have something to weld that you've always wanted to know, hey, can we weld this? Will it weld? Sounds like a TikTok.
Will it weld?
Will it weld? Just like will it blend? Will it weld? We're not going to blend. We're going to weld. Then bring it. Just nothing that requires a forklift. If you have to be able to carry it in. But we will have a space to do that because we will be striking an arc with a collaborative robot here at elliTek. So join us for our expo. There'll be prizes.
Yep. Food by Dead End BBQ.
That's right. Dead End BBQ's best. And tech talks through the day.
Yep.
Just all kinds of stuff going on. So plenty of great reasons to take a break from the workday and slide on over. So we hope that you will join us here at elliTek. To register, you can go to our website, www.ellitek.com, or join us on social media. Beth keeps that going like wildfire. So Instagram, Facebook,
LinkedIn, and X. And I want to thank our sponsors.
Absolutely.
Siemens,
Yep.
Rittal, SCHUNK, CKD, Elite Robots, Pilz, and TSLOTS.
TSLOTS, that's right. Thank you guys for helping us put on the best Automation Expo in the whole Southeast, maybe in the world.
Well, I know we're going to be the only ones striking an arc.
That's right. So Fire Marshal's already checked off. So nevertheless, we want you to join us here at elliTek. All of our automation professionals, whether you're operator, whether you're maintenance, whether you're engineers, whether you're business unit managers, production managers, plant managers, we want to see you here to let you experience some of the latest and greatest in automation. So join us